Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to install a fridge shelf properly. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, I have a fridge shelf that I've recently removed, and I'm going to show you how to install a fridge shelf really easily. Now essentially, there's basically two steps to doing this. The first step is going to be guiding the fridge shelf into the refrigerator properly, and the second step is going to be mounting it properly using the mounting system back here. And obviously your fridge might be different, but most refrigerators are going to be very similar. So there's a rail here to guide it in, and then there's a little notch here to mount it in place at the back. So it's very simple. I'm going to take the fridge shelf. Obviously make sure you're putting it in the right way, in the right orientation. I'm going to choose where I want to put it, and I'm going to put it on the same level as this fridge shelf right here. So I'm going to use this rail over here. So make sure your fridge doors are open all the way so you can get it in place easily. And I'm going to take the fridge shelf and I'm going to guide it along the rail, as you can see right here. Okay, and actually before I do that, I will show you. At the back, there's this little notch. This notch right here goes inside of that hole at the back there, in the center, just so you know. So I'm going to guide it once again, continuing from where I left off, guide it along the rail right over there. Now I'm going to get this notch when I go to the back, and I'm going to place this notch inside of that little hole there in the middle. Okay, you want to place it in the top of the hole. Okay, just give me a moment over here. Place it in the top of the hole. Just give me a second. I'm just having a little bit of trouble. There we go. So I placed it in the top of the hole, and it actually already fell down, like it slid down. So place it in the top of the hole where it's a little bit wider, and then sort of push it down in place like this. And once the back goes down, as much as it can go down, you're pretty much good to go. But you want to make sure that back notch is securely in place. And then obviously make sure it's nicely along the rail. And that's it. If you have another shelf in place already, it's a good reference point to make sure it's nice and even, because then you know you kind of did it. You put it in all the way. And that's essentially it. That is how to install a fridge shelf easily and properly. Hopefully you like the video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.